Hello students, today we are going to learn about pyramid. So you can see here it's a square based pyramid. So pyramid is a solid with triangular walls, and here in this topic we will be learning about square based pyramid only. Now the related terms are vertical height, slant edge, slant height is denoted by L, vertical height is denoted by H, slant edge is denoted by E, length of side of base which is denoted by A, lateral surface area LSA, or it's also called triangular face, area of triangular face, because the walls are triangular. And lastly the volume and total surface area TSA. So these are the related terms that we will be dealing about. So here the figure, you can see it's a relation among L means slant height, H means vertical height, A means length of side of base, and E means edge, slant edge. So the relation is L squared is equal to H squared plus A by 2 whole squared, and the next relation is E squared equals L squared plus A by 2 whole squared. Now some important formula: LSA is equal to 2AL, TSA is equal to LSA plus area of base, or we can say A bracket 2L plus A, and volume is equal to 1 by 3 area of base into height, and here area of base is a square, so 1 by 3 A squared H. So you can see here it's a square based pyramid, and it contains 4 triangular walls. You can see here. So this is a wall which is triangular in shape. This is another wall, this is another wall, and last wall is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 triangular walls and a squared base. So this solid figure is called a square based pyramid. So now let's move how to identify slant edge. So a line segment that touches from vertex to the corner of the square base. You can see here this is the vertex of pyramid, and it goes to the corner of the squared base. So this is the slant edge. So you can see this is slant edge, this is another slant edge. So you can see there are 4 slant edges of square based pyramid. So the main thing is if the line goes from vertex to the corner of the square based, then that line segment is called edge. Now if a line goes inside the base, you can see this vertical line is inside the base, it touches inside the base. So this is the vertical height of the square base pyramid. While if the line segment goes from vertex and touches the side of base, you can see this is the side of base, and this line touches the side of base, then we call it slant height. So this is the slant height of the pyramid. So let me tell you again: if it touches the corner, it is slant edge; if it touches the side, it is slant height; and if it goes inside the base, then we call it vertical height. Now let's move on the relation among slant height, vertical height So you can see it's a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle the hypotenuse is denoted by slant height, the perpendicular is denoted by vertical height, and the base is denoted by half of base, that is a by 2. So we know the Pythagoras relation is h squared is equal to p squared plus b squared. So our formula goes L square equals h square plus a by 2 whole squared. Now let's move on the relation of is slant height and the length of base. So you can see, so here is a right angle triangle here where the hypotenuse is denoted by slant edge, perpendicular is denoted by slant height, and the base is denoted by a by 2. So the relation goes e square equals L squared plus a by 2 whole squared. So these are the two relations that we need to calculate TSE, LSE and volume. So now let's move on to LSE. So here LSE means the area of this triangular wall. So we know area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So here the base is A and the height is slant height L. So the area of this triangle face is half AL, and since there are 4 triangular face, so the formula for LSE goes 4 multiply half AL, that is 2AL. Now regarding total surface area, so we have already found the area of LSA, that is area of triangle faces. If we add the area of base, because here we can see there is no ceiling, it has just only one base, so TSA is equal to LSA plus area of base, and LSA of square based pyramid is 2AL plus area of base is E square, so A squared, so it gives the formula A bracket 2L plus A. And lastly, regarding volume, if we attach such 3 equal sized square based pyramid, then a cuboid with the height equal to the height of pyramid is formed. So we say this is 1/3 of the cuboid, so volume of square based pyramid is 1/3 a squared h. So this much for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you everybody.